Some customers mentioned that they only received one box. Did not see the rotor. Well, when you select only one rotor, it is installed in the centrifuge chamber at the factory. You will see it when you open the chamber door. For configurations with multiple rotors, the additional rotors are packed separately and will be shipped together with the main unit. When you receive the centrifuge package, ensure the packaging is intact. Place the box on a flat, horizontal surface. For carton packaging, cut through the bandages, tapes, and protective film. To unpack and remove the centrifuge. For wooden box packaging, take the opening tool on the wooden box. Insert the straight edge of the tool into the top of the crate. Pry all the clips upwards. Carefully pry all the clasps straight up on the side of the box. Lift off the top cover of the case. Push open the side panels, which can be completely pushed down to the ground. Clean out the contents of the chamber. Carefully take out the centrifuge.